How are y'all doing today? It is May 8th, 2024. I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. I'm going to do a real quick daily bias. Today's Wednesday. I don't think I'm going to trade today, but I'm going to go for a bias anyway. When I first opened the charts, I'm not going to lie, I did not really like it. Price has been rallying the past couple of days, and I'm assuming that it's going to be bearish at some point. But this isn't really the best confluence as far as actually trading in it. It did fill 4 hour right here, almost to the tick. And on the S&P, it filled whatever this is. It swept this little high right here. Didn't do that on NASDAQ. So that's something to note. It hit like almost halfway through that, but yeah. Going down into the 4 hour for today, it's just trading into 4 hour fair value gaps. There aren't really any notable liquidity targets in here, so it's not really, again, it's not really that probable. And when I opened the charts today, I woke up, market open was 4 minutes ago. Hold on. Price has just been capitulating, what is this, 125 ticks? No, 125 points just the entire morning at like 7 o'clock. That's just my daily bias. If I see, I don't even know, dude, to take a trade in this. Maybe if it goes up to like halfway back up into the leg and sweeps this little thing right here. No, dude, I don't even know. Bro, I actually don't know. Maybe if it's like a breaker or something, and then it comes up. Let me get the brush out. Price comes up. Let me draw it out like this, and it SMTs like so. Then I would take a trade. Here, let me finish marking it out. If it does like an SMT like this, or one if it makes a high, that's probably the only way I'd take a bearish trade in this. It is, and this is probably going to turn into a 4 hour fair value gap pretty soon. This area right here. It's probably already a 2 hour fair value gap. Yeah, this is already a 2 hour fair value gap. In 20 minutes at least. So yeah, that's the only really way. There's not any liquidity targets up in here. I think this day is just going to go straight down and it's going to reverse a little bit over the next couple days. Obviously, we've been going up, as I said, for the past couple days, so it's not really. Yeah, I don't do. This is so weird. Might bounce off the 4 hour FEGs, honestly. This is a little update. It's about half an hour after I recorded that. Price is being green, bro. I can't even lie to you. It's came back up and it's now filled in. It's filling in the 1 hour fair value gaps. So it's starting to look like an okay position to go short in. And also it is at optimal trade entry on the NASDAQ as far as the Fibonacci levels. For the S&P, I think it's at about 0.62. Yep, it's at 0.62. And the NASDAQ just swept this little mini thing right here. It's a little high in there. It's not really, I'm not really going to give this much value at all. It doesn't really mean anything. I'm not fucking spamming short the second it sweeps this up at the high. No, I don't really care about that. NASDAQ though, or S&P rather, I think it's about to sweep these. I don't want to go short until it sweeps this with two equal highs right here. But yeah, I'm just letting it play out. Price is starting to kind of lose a little bit of its correlation. It's acting a little bit weird / choppy. I don't know if there's going to be too much of a good trade. Hold on, it's actually SMTing at this very moment. I'd really like it to sweep that little mini high. Because dude, it actually breaks my heart to be like trading against that. I hate that. Bro, relative equals are like, I don't even know how to explain it. I don't really see anything yet. Price has the opportunity to go and make a good setup. I don't know if it's going to do that. Today, I actually lied today. There's no red folder news, but there is 10-year bond action. Damn, bro, my hair's all out of whack. 10-year bond action, that's pretty much it for today. Yesterday was no news at all. Monday, no news at all. Bro, I don't really like this trading week, but yeah. Dude, what? Now it's SMT. I don't even know, dude. Bro, look at this. This is just like choppy. I don't really think I'm going to trade in this. If I do trade that, actually, I don't know. I might give y'all another update pretty soon. Alright, bro, I honestly have no clue what's going on at this point. NASDAQ has now swept these two relative equal highs into this. It says 15 minute. On the 10 minute, it goes right up to here. It's like this gap thing, but there's one on the other side too. Balanced price range thing right here. NASDAQ has swept up, taking these two. Bro, the S&P came all the way up and stopped right before taking two relative equals. So, I don't really. Now it's making. Hold up, actually, bro. This is kind of a decent long setup for like a scalp, like up into here if you thought it was still gonna go up. I say that as it's like going against. No, but dude, I have no clue what's going on right now. I'm still kind of short biased, but if there's three relative equals up here, there's three stack highs up there, I'm not trading into that. I'm gonna be 100% honest. This thing is literally, I mean, I was leaning bearish on today, but given it's rallied 150 points, 160 points, completely disrespected all the bearish gaps right in here. I don't know if I'm too bearish anymore, dog. I don't know though. Hold up. Let me show you all the higher time frame gaps. The NASDAQ doesn't really have, it didn't hit all the FUGs down here yet. See, this is still here. But the S&P has 4 fair value gaps right in a row. 4-hour fair value gaps in a row right here. And it swept these ones, so I'm just sitting on my hands for a little while right now. I don't really know what's gonna happen. Dude, this is, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. This is like one of the most important times. So I have my charts. Obviously, you guys know I have my NASDAQ over here, S&P over here. Bro, y'all listen up. This is probably the most important reason I keep my charts right next to each other. Let me show y'all the NASDAQ. I pretend you haven't even seen it. Tell me where you think the NASDAQ is gonna go from here. Look, it swept 2 swing highs right here into this fair value gap after it filled this giant 4-hour fair value gap back here, and it has an insane amount of rebalancing to do on the high time frame. It's bearish. Now, S&P. Tell me where you think the S&P is going. It's got this high, this high. This isn't even really a fair value gap here. It already got filled. The S&P already filled 4-hour fair value gaps right here. And it stopped right before, so now we've got 3 stacked highs, bro. If I were to just open this chart and guess where it's gonna go, I'd pick up. But given that I have both of them right next to each other, dude, I mean, this is just one of the times where I don't think I'm going to trade. Because honestly, this is just a guessing game. I'm still bearish biased, but I don't know, man. I'll let y'all know if I do anything. Loki though, yeah, I don't even know, dude. There's bullish fair value gaps going all the way up here. I don't want to trade into a giant bullish imbalance on a bearish day if I'm not even that bearish. And there's 3 stacked highs right here. But yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands for a little while, but I'll keep you all updated if I do anything. I don't know if y'all are trading in this, but like if you were bullish bias, then you actually could have got some out of this. This honestly, I might actually take this. If it's just gonna keep holding it, bro, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 fucking lows right here. If it sweeps these 2 equal lows, I mean, I feel like they'd be... Dude, it's scuffed, but this might be a good scalp, honestly. S&P's already came back up, filled a little bit of this. NASDAQ hasn't. I don't really know what's going on with the high time frames here, but... Oh, shit. Hold up. I'll be right back. I would have entered right here, but it didn't get filled. And this thing, yeah, it went and swept all these. I don't know if it's going to keep going down or not. I think it might go down a little bit more, but yeah. Today was a little weird. Didn't end up sweeping all these. I don't know if S&P is going to go back up later and sweep them. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. I did not trade today.